whoa, whoa, baby, poke it out, poke it out, poke it out, baby, poke it out, poke it out, poke it out, baby, poke it out, poke it out, poke it out.
Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be showing you guys up on this long Beyonce inspired wig. This is very much so Beyonce vibe, color type going on. If you are one that's interested in her, then just continue on watching. So quick to the chase before I go on to the details about this gorgeous hair. So this wig is a Zury wig and the name of this wig is BYD-LACE Beyon, I think it is. We're gonna call it Beyonce, okay? Beyonce. She's definitely Beyonce. This reminds me of the whole look Beyonce was wearing in Cochella. I believe she had what? It was just as is, and I think it had like light ends. So the amazing company that carries this beautiful wig is called Go Beauty NY, and you guys, I'll link all their links down below in the description bar so you guys can go ahead and check them out. They have everything that you can possibly think of when it comes to beauty things, like knickknacks for, you know, makeup, frontals, just full lace wigs, regular wigs, crochet, sew-ins, all of the above they have. So you guys, I'll leave all the links down below again, and as well as direct links to this baddie right here. So here is the card that it came with. This is a two-tone wig, so it's about 27 in the front and platinum in the back. This is how this hair turned out. I definitely think this will definitely look better, a darker hair color for me. Possibly like, I want to say I could do 30, or I could possibly just go ahead straight for the black and play it safe. One thing I did do is I did go ahead and color in some black on the roots because, honey, I just wanted that nice transition. Yeah, other than that, y'all, I love it. And believe it or not, you guys, this hair is super soft. I can definitely put my hands through this hair with ease. It's really puffy, but yet it's soft. This hair is very long, you guys. Like, it just keeps on going on and on and on. So the inches on this wig is 40 inches, you guys. Like I said, it's super long. So that explains why I think it goes on and on and on. So this is a synthetic wig. And yes, you guys, it is a lace wig, but you do only get one part. So it has a part straight down the middle. And this is ranging from, I want to say 3 to 2 inches of parting space. That's just about it. I want to say it's right on the 3 inches of parting space, and then you don't get no parting space elsewhere. So this is all you get, with a little bit of lace around the perimeter, ranging from ½ an inch of lace around the perimeter. I did find a little bit baby hairs here and there, so I did not have to cut so much because it was already provided for me, but I did, you know, cut some more just because I wanted some more. But they do have some already as is with the unit straight out the package. This wig is definitely heat friendly, so it says it can go up to 400 Fahrenheit. I personally would not go that high. I would stay, the highest I would do is probably 250, honestly speaking. So it's 40 inches, and by future references I will be cutting this. Yeah, I do like the look that it gives, especially right after coloring the dark roots. Also, you guys, this wig is a hand tied, which means that this was constructed by a human, most likely. Honestly, I feel like hand tied wigs are more secure and has less shedding with the lace area. How do I feel about this wig? Now, you guys, like I said, I love the color, and of course the color is a huge thing with this wig, obviously, because it's a bold color. Definitely right after shading the roots, like I said earlier, I love it more now. But one thing is, I just want to say is the fact that you can't part it any other place, and the fact that this is a long wig, you can definitely play along with the part, so you can shift it towards the right side or left side to make that side part for my side part girls out there. But keep in mind that it may look a little lump-sided, but not, it won't look too crazy due to the fact that this hair is like super long, so you could kind of like adjust it. Like if one side looked long-sided, you can cut the longer end. Now on to bigger and better things, bigger and better questions. How much is this wig retails for? So this wig retails for $51 now at GoBeautyNY.com, you guys. The links will be down below, you guys. It's definitely affordable, hands down. For 40 inches, I definitely think it's lit. What do you guys think about it? Would it actually look better in a different color? Do you like this color? Do you not like it on me? Let me know. But yeah, I absolutely think it's super cute. Would I actually walk out the house with this every day? Not every day. When I'm feeling bold, definitely so. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think about it. Like always, make sure you like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And till next time.